Here's a concise, up-to-date ranking of the best drones for 2026, based on current expert-tested best drone lists and reviews. 1. DJI Air 3S, best overall drone all-round. Brand, price, and build. From DJI, priced around $1,099 plus, the Air 3S is a dual-camera powerhouse. Weight, approximately 724 grams with battery and props. Dimensions folded, about 240 millimeters diagonal, compact and travel-friendly. Material, reinforced plastic frame with rigid arms. Lightweight, yet durable. Color, light gray. Storage, 42 gigabytes internal. No micro SD card needed. Camera and display video quality, wide, 50 MP 1-inch CMOS, 24 millimeters equivalent. It's great for landscapes and HDR. Medium tele, 48 MP 1.3-inch CMOS, 70 millimeters equivalent, ideal for portraits and zoomed-in shots. Video, 4K up to 120 FPS, 4K 60 HDR, 2.7K vertical, 10-bit D-Log, MNHLG color for cinematic grading. Transmission, up to 20 kilometers FCC range in open areas. Battery, 4,276 mAh smart battery, 3 batteries in Fly More combo. Flight time, up to approximately 45 minutes per battery in ideal calm air conditions. Wind resistance, handles moderate wind well. Often called a travel-ready powerhouse. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing with LiDAR for protection in front, sides, rear, and bottom. Smart return to home with path memory, Active Track 5.0, panorama, and night mode improvements. Pros and cons. Pros, dual lens versatility, 4K 120 and 10-bit video. Long flight time, omnidirectional safety. Excellent for travel photographers and serious hobbyists. Cons, expensive, not waterproof, and a bit heavier, complex for absolute beginners. Verdict, best for YouTubers, travelers, creators, worth it. 100% best all-round drone in 2026. 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro, best for most people. Beginner and travel. Price, globally under $800 for the Fly More combo. Technical specs and design, weight under 249 grams. So it avoids many heavy-duty regulations in many countries and is easy to carry. Dimensions, very compact. Folds down to pocket size when arms are folded. Material, lightweight plastic with gimbal-stabilized camera. Color, typical DJI matte white body. Camera and video quality. Sensor, 1.3-inch CMOS, up to 48 MP stills, and 4K HDR video, up to 60 FPS. Slow motion, 4K at up to 100 FPS for smooth cinematic slow-mo. Vertical shooting, rotating gimbal so you can shoot true 9:16 vertical video. Transmission, up to approximately 12 to 13 kilometers range with OcuSync 4 in open areas. Battery life, around approximately 30 minutes per battery in real-world use. Wind resistance, good for its size. Flies steady in light to moderate wind. Active Track 360, quick shots, droney, circle, helix, etc. Pros, under 250 grams weight, 4K 100 slow-mo, vertical shooting gimbal, strong obstacle sensing, great for travel and social media content. Cons, smaller sensor than Air or Mavic series, so dynamic range and low light performance are not as strong. Who it's for and why it's picked. Perfect for beginners, travelers, and vloggers who want a compact. 3. DJI Flip Best Budget Drone. Price, $349. Weight, approximately 550 grams with battery and props. Size folded, still compact enough for a backpack. Material, plastic frame with 3-axis mechanical gimbal for smooth video. Sensor, 1.3-inch CMOS, 48 MP stills. Video, 4K video, supports up to 31-minute max flight time per battery. Transmission, up to approximately 14 kilometers range in open areas. Flight time, up to 31 minutes per battery. Longer than many budget drones. Wind resistance, decent for its size. Suitable for parks and open fields. Pros, strong 4K camera, long battery life, 3-axis gimbal, much cheaper than Air or Mavic series. Cons, heavier than Mini series, and fewer Pro mode options than higher-end DJI drones. Who it's for and why it's picked. Best for budget-conscious beginners and hobbyists who still want 4K video and 30-minute flight time. For DJI Mavic 4 Pro, Best for professional photographers, videographers. Price, $2,129. Technical specs and design, weight around approximately 900 grams without extra batteries. Size, larger than Mini Air series but still foldable. Material, rugged frame, professional grade build. Color, DJI black, minimalistic design. Triple camera system, 28mm, 100MP 4/3 inch sensor, great for landscapes and studio style shots. 70mm, 48MP 1.3 inch sensor for portraits and zoom. 168mm, 50MP 1.5 inch sensor for long range telephoto. Video, 6K up to 60 FPS, 4K up to 120 FPS, 10-bit log, HLG, and cinematic dynamic range. Battery life, around 42-43 minutes per battery in real-world tests. Wind resistance, excellent for pro-level work. Handles strong gusts and moving shots. Dedicated knobs and modes for manual control, focus, pull-style handling, and advanced tracking. Pros: triple camera flexibility, 6K 10-bit video, strong low light and dynamic range. Ideal for weddings, documentaries, and stock-style footage. Cons: expensive, bulky, and overkill for casual users. Who it's for and why it's picked. Built for pro photographers, filmmakers, and agencies who need cinema-style quality in the air. 5 DJI Neo, best selfie, follow me drone. Price, $200. Weight, 135 grams, very light and palm-sized. Dimensions, ultra-compact, designed for one-hand capture. Material, lightweight plastic with integrated propeller guards. Sensor, 1/2 inch image sensor, captures 4K ultra-stabilized video. Good for smooth, selfie-style shots and short social clips. Flight time, around 17 to 18 minutes per battery. Palm takeoff and landing, AI subject tracking, quick shots, multiple control options. Full coverage propeller guards for safe indoor-style flying. Pros: super light, easy to fly, great for selfies and follow-me shots. Very affordable, child-friendly style controls. Cons: low flight time, limited range. Not for serious professional work. Who it's for and why it's picked. Ideal for selfie lovers, families, and social media creators who want hands-free, follow-me style tracking.